Forms on Fire was it was more professional. It was more comprehensive. Aspire is Calgary's financial empowerment collaborative, and Momentum stewards that network. And so Aspire is a collaborative of over 20 organizations that are working across the city of Calgary. So we build the capacity of other partners to deliver financial empowerment programming in the community. There are 14 different organizations across the city that offer free tax clinics to people who are living on a low income. And those taxes are a really important way for people to get their tax refunds. It was manual, paper-based. A lot of the tax forms would get lost. Sometimes they weren't always fully readable. It was very inefficient. Forms on Fire allowed us to quickly process 10,000 forms a year in a secure way on a digital platform so that we can quickly see our impact. We actually worked with Forms on Fire to build a customized workflow that would allow us to build in like verification methods into the system, which was very valuable. So the key function here is that we can modify the system and the workflow to suit a variety of different needs. We saved 1,000 to 5,000 hours of reporting time as a result of using the system. Our partners said that it was easy to use, that it was enjoyable. They are timely and quick in their responses, which is great. For us, it has been cost effective. I think there's good value for what you pay. It's allowing us to know the community that we support in a better way.